What's up, American Beauty Star? Hey, my name is Sabrina Hanley and I am from Winfield, Alabama, and I can do both hair and makeup. I have been in the industry for, a little over 29 years. I've been working behind the chair. Absolutely love it. Have the most wonderful passion for doing hair, and just in the past few years I've developed a great passion for makeup, and I am thoroughly enjoying it and being able to create new looks and things like that with it. And I do own my own salon here in Winfield, where I've been working with a couple of in-house models, and I'll show those pictures here in just a moment. But my proudest accomplishment, I would have to say, is being published in Modern Salon magazine. I got a 2-page spread in the December 2018 issue, and also being published by Bang Style for the first time back in 2017, winning Bang Style Supreme. So those are my, I guess you could say, 2 best accomplishments that I have achieved so far. I've achieved a lot, and I'm really proud of that and what I have accomplished over the last few years. I took time off to be at home with my children, and now I'm back at work, and it's my time. It's mama's time. And yes, I'm very competitive. Raising a house full of boys and all their buddies and all their friends, yes, you become competitive. You learn to fight for everything that's yours. That's why I will be your next American Beauty Star. Thanks for listening. Bye-bye.